Hi everyone! Welcome to the Microsoft Kenya channel. Did you know Windows has a powerful clipboard history feature that can make copying and pasting much easier? In today's video, I'll show you how to enable it, use it effectively, and even sync it across devices. Let's get started. Clipboard History is a Windows feature that lets you save multiple items you've copied, including text, links, and images up to 4 megabytes. This means you can quickly paste any of those items without having to recopy them. To use Clipboard History, you first need to enable it. Here's how: press the Windows key V. If Clipboard History is off, a prompt will appear. Click Turn On. That's it. Clipboard History is now enabled. Once it's enabled, press Windows key V to open the Clipboard History. You'll see a list of the items you've recently copied. Simply click on an item to paste it wherever your cursor is. You can also pin items you use frequently by clicking the pin icon. Pinned items won't get deleted when you restart your computer. Want to access your Clipboard history across devices? You can sync it using your Microsoft account. Here's how: go to Settings, System, Clipboard. Under Sync Across Devices, sign in with your Microsoft account. Turn on Sync Across Devices and choose Automatically Sync Text that I copy. Clipboard History is a simple yet powerful tool that can save you a lot of time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.